Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. Right, in this video I will explain about a process essay. So what is a process essay? Right, friends or everyone, if you want to know about that, please keep watching this video. So right, now let's get started. Alright friends, today I will explain about a process essay, the theories of a process essay. Right, what is a process essay? A process essay describes the steps or stage in the change of something into something else. In other words, a process essay describes a procedure. It gives a step-by-step explanation of a process that leads to an expected or planned outcome. So the simple meaning about about a process essay, when you are writing essay that describe a process, it means that your essay is a process essay. A process is a series of events or steps that are orderly and predictable. You can describe a process in the past, for example, how something happened, or maybe you want to that you want to describe a process in the present, such as how something works, or maybe you want to describe a process in the future, such as how to do something. So to write this type of essay well, it is important to make sure that all the steps are covered and that they are presented in chronological order. Alright friends, so basically intinya dari esai proses ini, di dalam esai ini menjelaskan tentang suatu proses yang dimulai dari step-stepnya, dijabarkan melalui step-stepnya. Nah, step-stepnya ini juga harus menggunakan chronological order jika kita ingin menjelaskan step-step dari proses itu. Next is about graphic organizer. The number of paragraphs in a process essay depends on how you organize your information. Some essays are very simple and have only 3 paragraphs, but also there is an essay may have 2 or 3 or even more body paragraphs. So here there are several type or example of graphic organizer in a process essay. So friends, graphic organizer seems like a type or several type of a process essay. Alright friends, this is the several type of graphic organizer based on the Cynthia Birdman book. So first is the first graphic organizer. So this is the first graphic organizer of a process essay. So as you can see here, the first part is an introductory paragraph like usual. So it consists or content about a thesis statement, and then for the body part, so you can see here there is only one body paragraph. So it is a long body paragraph, and this long body paragraph consists all of the steps in the correct chronological order, start from the first steps until the last steps. And the last part of process essay is a concluding paragraph like usual and contain essay conclusion. And then take a look the next or the second graphic organizer. Alright friends, can you see the differences between two graphic organizer here? So yep, the difference between them, can you see in the body part? So this graphic organizer, the second graphic organizer, only have have 2 body paragraph. Meanwhile, the graphic organizer only have 1 body paragraph, long body paragraph. So in the second graphic organizer, the body paragraph, the first body paragraph, it contains about components and tools and equipment of the process. And then for the second body paragraph, it contains description of the process step by step, start from the first step, next step again, and etc. Right, the next or the third graphic organizer. So take a look the body paragraph or the body part. So in this graphic organizer, the body part or body paragraph consists of 3 and even more body paragraph as the writer needs. So for the body paragraph, the first body paragraph, it contains about components, tool, and equipment, or maybe it contains the first part of the process. And then the second body paragraph, it consists or contains about the first or maybe the next step of the process. And then the third body paragraph, it explain or consists the next steps of the process. And for the more body paragraph, it can maybe contain the end of the process, or the writer want the another body paragraph or more body paragraph as a next step of the process. So it depends on the writer. So this more body paragraph, as the writer need this. So yeah, basically the differences between three graphic organizer or type of a process essay, it can see the differences in the part in the body part. So for the graphic organizer one, it only consists one body paragraph, long body paragraph. Meanwhile in the graphic organizer 2, it consists only two body paragraph. And then for the third graphic organizer, the body paragraph consists of three, but it can be more body paragraph as the writer need it. Right, friends, the next is thesis statement for a process essay. A thesis statement for a process essay in some way indicates the time order. Expressions such as the process of, or the procedure for, or plan, or develop, or evolve, or 5 stage, and several pace indicate that time order will be used. Alright, friends, take a look at this example. The several example of thesis statement here. So first thesis statement, the first thesis statement. Follow these steps to make a beautiful ceramic vase for your home. So the first thesis statement, this thesis statement expression the procedure for. Jadi thesis statement yang pertama ini dia mengekspresikan atau mengungkapkan prosedur untuk membuat sebuah ceramic vase for your home. Prosedurnya, step-stepnya, menyebutkan steps seperti itu. Nah, and then the second thesis statement, the field of genetic engineering has developed rapidly in the past 10 years. So the second thesis statement here, this thesis statement expressions the develop, sesuai dengan kata kuncinya juga di sini, develop. So dapat dikatakan thesis statement ini mengekspresikan perkembangan dari the field of genetic engineering ini rapidly in the past 10 years, seperti itu. And take a look the third thesis statement, a children learns to share over a period of time. So this thesis statement expression the several past. Children learns to share a period of time, several past. Jadi ada beberapa fase anak-anak itu belajar untuk berbagi dari period of time, seperti itu. And then the last thesis statement, heating water by solar radiation is a simple process. So this last thesis statement expression the process of. Jadi thesis statement yang terakhir ini mengungkapkan bagaimana proses dari heating water by solar radiation itu, dan prosesnya ternyata simple seperti itu, a simple process. So, but friends, sometimes in the thesis statement tells the number of steps in the process. For example, take a look this example. The example of thesis statement, the process of heating water by solar radiation involve 3 main steps. So jadi thesis statement ini memberitahukan nomor dari atau jumlah dari stepnya, seperti itu. And also sometimes the thesis statement may even name the step. For example, like this thesis statement. Right, friends, the next is transition signals for chronological order. Chronological order signal words are especially important in a process essay. Chronological order is a way of organizing ideas in the order of their occurrence in time. So chronological order has all sort of use. We use it to tell stories, to relate historical events, and to write biography and autobiographies. And also we use it to explain processes and procedures. For example, we will use chronological order to explain how to take a photograph, or how to make a piece of poetry, or how to set up an accounting system, something like that. So in the chronological order, so here several type of transition signal. So the first is transition signal words and press in a chronological order. So example like first of all, second, third, etc. Then next, after that, and you can continue with this. And the next column you can see the example, contoh dari penggunaan transaction signal words dan press ini. And the next is transaction signal of subordinators. A subordinator is a word or morphological marker which often stands peripherally in a clause and indicates the subordinate status of the clause marked by it. So the example, for example, like this: after, as soon as, before, since, until, when, while. And then for the another or other transaction signals such as the first, the seconds, the last, or the step, and on the third day after leaving home, later the morning, for 5 minutes, in 2004, several years ago, a few weeks later, and in the next, or in the past, or in the last, or in the 15 years. So this is the several transaction signal you can use to explain step by step of the process in correct chronological order.
Alright, everyone, that's all of my explanation about process essay, about the theory of a process essay. So see you in the next video.